Hello Warner Bros. Fans and card collectors. Today I have here is the 2024 Phantom Warner Bros. 100th Anniversary Trading Card Hobby Box. This is a official license box by a Chinese brand called Kakawow for Warner Brothers. This set is a combine of a lot of those Saturday morning cartoons and other sort of Warner Bros. Cartoons that were licensed to China or Asia, as far as I understand. This box is about 4 inches wide, about 7 inches tall, and 2 inches thick. Let's see. This box has a total of 10 packs per box, and each pack has 5 cards. There's also 2 to 4 limit number cards per box. On the front, you have a basic simple design. You got a lot Warner Brothers logo on the back, a big Warner Brothers logo in the middle. It says Phantom. It has both Chinese and English of the name. And they actually have a sort of like a hull seal down here too, with Kakawow's logo. On the side, you have also in hollow their names. Actually, if you could get, if you actually have a copy of it, you can see actually there are names of like different of all the different series or shows that was in the set, because I can see here Big Bang Theory, Wizard of Oz, Lords of the Ring, Scooby-Doo. Yep. Down here, this one only has his name, both English and Chinese, with the 2 brands. Celebrating every story. That's nice. Now on top here, you actually have, and I do apologize, the box is really hollow, all decked all around, but you can have a little bit of the ratio here. So I'll try to get it focused for you to pause and read. So basically, it says per box on average 2 to 4 limited number cards, so 0 cards. Box hit, you get a shining stage card or 1 mashup card. There's also magazine card, Warner Bros. 100 Fireworks card, storytelling card, Chinese pattern card, Dazzling Gem card, green card, script art card numbered out of 100, script art card number out of 20, gold card, black card, white card. And then on back, you have a little bit of information of the company and the other card. Not suitable for H3 or lower. Down here. And let's see, a few cards, QR codes down here. Oh, and looks like each box got serialized. That's nice. Alright, so that's the box itself. So without further ado, let's unleash the box and see what we get. We got a seal. Looks like I go. Yeah, looks like I go from the bottom. There goes the seal. This way. Okay, nothing on the back there. We have all the packs here. Get all that out. One more. That's kind of what it is inside. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. Yeah, correct. So kind of the design on top is kind of matching the box there. It says 5 here, so I think that's cards per pack. And that's what the back looks like. All right, I'll put this here, side, and let's try to. Okay, we've got Terrell. So that's what the card looks like. This is what the card back looks like. So it looks like there's a little border here. Got the name. Got the Phantom of the card set. Warper logo. Again, these are words in the back, so I believe some of these are like the different characters in that's in the set. Got your card number here. Warper logo. Same information. I want to say she's from Lords of the Ring, but don't really sure. So okay, just move along. Marshall Lee. Ooh. Same back design. We have here, this I know, this one is, wow, that is a nice border. This is from The Matrix, Agent Smith in the Rain. Matrix Revolution. This one tells you what movie it came out from. All right. Atrocitus from DC Red Lanterns. And a Roadrunner. Beep beep. Next pack. Oh wow, haven't seen him for a long time. Captain Planet. Same. Mati, also from Captain Planet. We got Chloe Decker. Not sure which show she's from. Let's see. It's a different background though. Same back, just a more different parallel card. Okay. Bomber. Wilma Flintstone. So it looks like in the 5 cards, there's like 2 base in the front, 2 base in the back, and then the middle is an insert. All right, good to know, good to know. So I'm gonna do this. And these are thick cards. These are really hard card. They're thinner than the Fleer Ultras from Marvel, but almost like a Marvel Platinum Chrome kind of feel. All right, we got Bam Bam Rubble, J.R. Irwin, Ori, I presume, Jake, and for the insert we got Astro from the Jetsons. Yep. Okay. Ooh. Oh, we got Lion-O from the Thundercats. Sinestro from the Green Lantern or DC Comics. We got the Penguin. This is a bit more of a cartoonish penguin. King Shark. King Shark. And for insert, we have Q or KW. Definitely, definitely. I know this is from where the wild things are. Okay. So that's a newer show. We got Marvin the Martin. Probably gonna butcher the name there. Throne Orkin Shield. We got Bane. So this is from the Batman movie. We got Wile E. Coyote. And for the insert, we get Tyra. Tigra from the Thundercats. Nice. Right. Next pack. Oh, we got Jessica Cruz, a Green Lantern. Grossomer from Looney Tunes. Keeley, I presume. Fred Flintstone. And the insert we get Pebbles, Pebble Flintstone Rubble. Next one we got Pinky from Pinky and the Brain. The Riddler from Batman. Black Lightning, another DC comic hero. This is the next one is an insert, but this was a checklist? I guess there is a check. You can have a checklist. And for the insert, we get we got the Cowardly Lion from The Wizard of Oz. Oh, classic. This is a different design than the Matrix one. This is, what's this? Does it say anything? Oh, it's numbered. It's numbered 152 out of 375. This is awesome. What would this be? Out of 375. It's this one. It's 375 is this. Like, don't know if it's gonna focus, but there's only 50. It's a collector card or a special card. There's only 54 of them. Okay. Oh, and also this checklist looks to be a redemption card. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna do it because we're over in the States. All right. 3 packs left. Haven't seen those kind of, so there only one number card so far, I believe. All these don't get numbered. So we're probably gonna get another one. 2 to 4 as it was, right? We've got Mr. Freeze. Another Black Lightning. So there's possible for duplicates. Mary. From either the Lord of the Rings or the Hobbit. Trinity from the Matrix series. And for this one we got the man himself, Neo. Matrix loaded. Gotta say, this is a nice set. You get some cool inserts in every pot. Okay, so ooh, that looks different. Got another Mary, another Trinity. Okay, we got the Brain, Clayface, another Batman villain. And for the insert we get, ooh, Shining Stage, Artemis. I think this is she's from Ready Player One. Also a number card. 497 out of 888. Artemis. Wow. That's our second number card. Last pack magic. See what we get. Oh, that looks like a different card shape. We got the Brain. Taiga, Blue Beetle, Sauron, and for the insert, the last pack, we get a die-cut of Nori. I'll take it. It's a die-cut. All right. So this is what we get. So hope you have a blast. I sure do. I mean, this is something I unexpected. We guys pick up one of these boxes. Drop a comment, drop a like. Yeah, and I'll continue looking for some new card sets to explore. And as always, I say, embrace the little surprise in life. All right, thank you for joining. Catch you later. Bye.